In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Google Calendar. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. If you're looking to automate your tasks, n8n is a fantastic tool, and connecting it to Google Calendar can really supercharge your workflow. Let me walk you through the steps needed to set this up. First, you'll want to make sure you have an n8n instance running. If you don't have it yet, you can either self-host it or use a service like n8n.cloud. Once you have that running, the real fun begins. Open your n8n editor and let's start by adding a new workflow. You can do this easily by clicking on the New button. When you're in the workflow editor, it's time to add a new node. Nodes are how you connect various services in n8n, and for this tutorial, we will choose Google Calendar as our node. To add a new node, click on the Add Node button. When you search for Google Calendar, you should find it in the list. Click on it, and you'll see several options pop up. Now, since we need to connect n8n to Google Calendar for the first time, we will select the Connect option. Now, here comes the part where we link our Google account to n8n. You will need to create credentials for this connection. To do this, click on the Create New button next to the Credentials field. This will guide you through the OAuth 2 authentication process. When it prompts you, you'll need to provide a few details. First, you should name your credentials something recognizable, like Google Calendar credentials. Next, you'll need to get your client ID and client secret from the Google Developer Console. If you don't know how to do that, let me explain. Go to the Google Developer Console at console.developers.google.com. Sign in with your Google account and create a new project. Once you've created your project, navigate to the Credentials tab in the sidebar, then click Create Credentials and choose OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. Ensure to set the application type to Web Application. You can add the redirect URI that n8n provides in the setup, which is usually something like https:/your n8ndomain.com/OAuth2/callback. Once you have your client ID and client secret, return to n8n and input those values into their respective fields. Click Save, and at this point, n8n should provide you a link to authorize your application. Follow the link, choose your Google account, and grant the necessary permissions. After you allow it, you'll be redirected back to n8n, and if everything went well, you should see a success message. Now that your credentials are set up, you can start using Google Calendar functionalities. You can create events, retrieve existing events, or even delete them by simply selecting the appropriate operation in the Google Calendar node settings. Once you've configured the node to perform the desired action, make sure to connect it to the previous node in your workflow so that it runs seamlessly. You can further customize your workflow with any other nodes you need. And that's it. You've now successfully connected n8n to Google Calendar. Feel free to experiment with various actions and see how they can help automate your tasks. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and